This video I made for my Indian followers showing the Nifty on a 3-minute day trading chart on the 6th of January 25, local Indian Standard Time. 60 minutes after the open, price reached a macro zone. When hitting the macro zone, we see a blue or green upward candle with a red POC. I define this in my books and seminars as a POC divergence. If you have a closer look at the previous candles, you can notice a POC divergence as well. So you have 3 POC divergences in a row, which could mean that the buying power you see on the left hand side of this chart is decreasing in favor of a selling power. The next candle shows a delta change and a shift of the POC from the upper parts of the candles to the lower parts of the candles. All this could give nifty day traders an idea to start a short position.